Let's see about input-output statements. So in this chapter, we'll be discussing how to put the data on the monitor, which has been called as a standard output device. So now if you want to display any data on the screen, okay, so you have some set of functions provided by C language. So we call them as an output statement. Same way, when you run the program, during the execution of the program, you would like to feed some value. You would like to enter some values to your program through keyboard. So the keyboard has been treated as a standard input or input device, standard input device. When you run the program, to the program you would like to give some value. That can be done through input statements. So in this chapter, we'll be discussing how to give the data to the program during execution and how to display the data through program on the monitor. Okay, so these are the concepts you'll be discussing in this chapter. Now there are different functions provided in the C language to perform this IO operations. Okay, IO operations. So this output statements are one is you have very regularly used in C language, that is a printf function. Second one is to display a single character, you have a function called as an putchar. Same way, for reading the data from the keyboard, okay, you have some inputs statements, input functions you can call input functions. So to read the data from the keyboard, there are different functions. Regularly used function for reading the data from the keyboard as one is scanf, and second you have getch if you want to read a single character. Getche is another function which is meant for reading a single character, and third one more is there, that is an getchar. Okay, so these all three functions are meant to read only one single character from the keyboard, whereas this one can be used for reading any data type. Okay, any data from the keyboard. Same way, printf function is meant for displaying the data on the screen. Okay, so you can display here any type of value, any data type value, whereas putchar can be used to display only one single character on the screen. So these are the different functions which we call them as an input-output statements. We'll discuss in detail each one of this. We'll start first discussing about how to display the data on the screen using an printf, which is used for displaying any type of value.